Applying eyeliner over glitter can sometimes feel like you're driving on a bumpy road. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you two different ways to apply eyeliner when you have glitter on your lids and still keep the eyeliner looking crisp and nice. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm going to start with my brows, and for that I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Definer. This is a micro tip brow pencil and I'm using the shade medium brown. I personally love micro tip pencils because it's very easy to draw those natural hair-like strokes. And this pencil is also transfer proof, waterproof, sweat proof, smudge proof and humidity proof, and it says it lasts up to 24 hours. The maximum that I've used is up to 10 hours and my brows stayed intact. After I'm done filling in my brows, I always use the spoolie in the back to brush my brow hair just so the product spreads across evenly. To clean up underneath the brows and as a base for my lids for the eyeshadows, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Waterproof Matte Concealer in the shade Amber. This is a super nice and thick concealer and it doesn't crease on me. If it creases on you, you can most definitely set it with some powder, but I'm going to skip setting it with powder because it doesn't really crease on me. For eyeshadows, I'm going to be using this new palette by Wet n Wild in Cotton Candy Clouds. This is a limited edition palette, has a combination of colors and neutrals, some glitter, some sequin shadows as well as shimmer. I'm going to start with this light brown shade, which is going to be my transition. With a blending brush, I'm going to blend it out at the crease and buff it out so it melts into my skin tone. I'm also going to be smoking this eyeshadow in my lower lash line. To deepen the crease further, I'm going to be using a deeper shade of brown. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going to focus this just at the crease and not buff it out as much as I did with the transition shade. Now that there's enough definition at the crease, I'm picking up a bigger brush. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush which I use for blending, and I'm going to blend over both these eyeshadows. So although you can see the definition, they look well diffused together and blended into each other, and then they slowly melt into my skin tone. And then with a small definer brush, I'm going to use that deeper shade of brown in my lower lash line as well. Using a little bit of concealer with a concealer brush from Colourpop, I'm going to half cut my crease and fill in the lid space. Because I don't want to repeat and make it redundant, I'm going to finish up to this point on my other eye as well, so the base makeup will be done on both eyes. Now for the first method of applying eyeliner with glitter, this is the method that I personally use. What I do is I apply glitter and I don't take it all the way up to my lash line. I stop it above my lash line, giving enough space for my eyeliner. To demonstrate this, I'm going to be using this pressed glitter from the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to apply it on my lids using a flat shader brush. And as you can see, I'm saturating my lid, but I'm not bringing it all the way to my lash line. I'm leaving that gap for the eyeliner. So that way when I apply eyeliner, I'm not applying it over glitter. Instead, I'm applying it over the eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Ofra Verified Liquid Eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner that you have, or you can also use a gel liner. I'm going to be pulling out a small wing and lining my top lash line. And as you can see, it glides on really smooth. Now for the second method, instead of using the glitter first, I'm going to be using the eyeliner first. So using the Ofra liquid liner, I'm going to pull out a small wing and line my top lash line. And now I'm going to apply the glitter over my lid, and I'm going to avoid applying the glitter over my liner. While using the glitter closer to the eyeliner, I'm going to switch to a more detailed brush so I can fill in all the gaps. And if any glitter gets on your eyeliner, you can use a thinner brush to wipe it off. Let's finish up this look. I'm going to be curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. The one that I'll be using is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. You can finish up the way you like. You can also use false lashes if you prefer, but I'm going to be stopping at mascara today. Here's the completed look, and those were the two different options of applying eyeliner while using glitter. I'd love to know which one was your favorite, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, as always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you want to watch more videos like these. Do check out the description box for all the good stuff, including all the products that I used today, as well as links to my social media in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.